Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with my sister here. Today we're gonna be playing Salon Furniture Club Roblox. It's just the update, but it usually called Club Roblox. Wait.
Yeah, I'm way too high.
Wait.
How about like this?
I don't know.
I have no idea how the heck am I gonna do this.
Oh.
Should I go like this or should I go like this? I don't know how to. Girl, this is so hard. How are we gonna film this?
There. I think that's good.
Yeah, that's
good. Okay.
Girl,
so we're gonna play Club Roblox.
Yeah, girl, we are.
Okay, I can stop at 16. Okay.
Where's my house?
So first we're gonna do is we're gonna check each other's houses. So we're gonna check. Me and my sis did that yesterday, but we didn't make a video.
Don't look at mine.
Oh, what's this?
I have a secret special area.
I got a bubble car. Next, I'll get a butterfly pet. 100 tokens, 300 tokens. Okay.
Come to my house, you know.
I know.
This is gonna be so cute.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome. A unicorn pet on the 30. Oh my god, I'm gonna be here every single day to play this game.
Me too.
And so we have 2 tickets.
I wasted it to 0.
Okay.
Girl, do you know where
so
I am?
we're gonna be doing a challenge, which is we're gonna be building our house.
Wait, first, could you check just this one house?
I mean, there's nothing really inside of it.
No,
but we're gonna get started.
No, but there's a secret. Look.
Okay, let's just.
So first, I have this cute area, but then I have secret total imagine. So you go here, then you fall off the balcony.
That's not a secret though. It's just like a little home secret thing.
But this has much more things. It has a cute bedroom.
Yeah, I really like the bathroom.
Look, it even has cool mirror.
Okay.
Oh, I have television.
Here.
So I'm gonna decorate my new house that I bought.
Come on.
Because it hasn't really been built. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm just grab it out right before I climb up my ladder and get out
and
my
pet.
house.
I'm Pearl Starlight.
This looks so amazing. Look.
I just gotta find my house.
I love these hearts that I decorated on the floor. Decorated. For the darkness. I just love them.
Okay, I'm gonna decorate my skyscraper.
Girl,
Do you have a skyscraper?
Girl, wait.
Can you just...
You're a pet again. Literally. Girl, how many times are you gonna be a pet?
Why you keep calling me girl? I'm your sister.
I know, but
not your friend.
I'm just calling you girl.
Yeah, but you know what? You can call me Eliana instead of girl. It's making me confusing.
Confusing.
Where is my...
I can't find my house that I did not build though. Yeah, here it is.
You're right inside it.
No, I'm decorating my
I have more houses.
I'm gonna get my new house.
You're right there, girl.
I know.
Are we neighbors?
I have no idea. I really want this one. I really want
it. There's my house.
Do you have this one?
Oh, we're kind of neighbors. We're just across the street. Yeah, I do. Definitely. It looks beautiful.
Oh my god.
You remember I decorated by myself?
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, here it is. There we go. That's better.
Okay, what house should I'm gonna do?
This is so hard. How do you do this? There. Thank you. Bye.
Where is it? I thought I had. Oh, there.
I changed my house.
Can I
here it is.
Preview.
Yeah, here it is. I'm gonna.
How's it hotel?
I'm gonna change up this room because it's baby. This is gonna be the kitchen.
The kitchen? Oh, you have a big kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna go for the sky.
Here's a midnight room. Here's gonna be my bed. I mean, this is gonna be the bathroom.
That's in my skyscraper. I'm not sure. I think,
I don't know what this is gonna be. Why? This is gonna be my office. This is gonna be my office right here.
Wait, no, never mind.
Should I get a snack closet?
Wait,
This is gonna be my living room.
is there a way that I can get back? So
I don't know how the heck. Yeah, this is not the house that I meant.
I think I have to sign out and go back.
My house is supposed to look like this.
I have to sign back then go back. So.
I have no idea where is it. I'm trying to look for my house. Oh, here.
Wait.
Oh, probably. Oh, it's here. I skipped it. Oh wait, no. Literally, where is it? Did I just skip it? Wait, probably it's this one. Probably. I don't know, girl. I haven't looked at my houses in a long time. So I don't know which one has my decoration. Oh, yes, this is... Ladybugs everywhere. I have a ladybug room. And here's the back, and here's a pet room.
Okay, maybe let's just get started, okay? So, load up
Wait!
your house.
I want to look around my house.
Okay, but we have to start it right now.
This was from Christmas.
Okay, what about we just build it right now?
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna start, okay? Okay, so
I'm gonna go change my house quick, you guys.
this is where the skyscraper is. So let's change the walls.
I'm just changing already my house again.
I don't know what kind of walls, but we're gonna go for different ones.
What? I have this. Creepy Halloween.
I think that's for free because I never, So.
Well, I have it too.
I like this.
Look how much dollars I frickin' ass have.
Get out now.
No. This looks
Just guys, pretend you didn't hear that.
This is creepy. I'm so scared. I'm gonna buy
if you just keep doing that, I'm not gonna let you be
I'm gonna buy a different house because
you say a lot of bad words.
I buy a lot of them.
I'm just telling that secret.
I have a lot of money, so I can buy whichever house I want that I need. Because I have no! I didn't click that house, you frick.
Lila, stop, seriously.
Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say.
Can you just
get
stop?
away? I meant to say
seriously,
get away.
Just whatever.
I can't find it. I thought it was so big and so cute. Oh, here it is. Yay, I have it.
You're a unicorn.
What the? What? What?
What the heck? What the heck?
Oh! This looks so beautiful.
I think
I bought this house, alright? I bought it today because I have so much money. Okay, I'm so scared right now. I'm so scared.
Just build it.
No. I'm so scared.
You're just making
this was the money that I already have, and when I bought this house, I still have the same amount. Hello, can somebody help me here?
I think it's for free. Yeah.
I just bought it when I waste money.
No, Ella, you had 12,000, and now you have you had 12,000. You had 500,000. No, you had 15,000, and then you didn't keep the same money. It's 12,000.
Oh,
it's not the
same
same
I'm gonna
amount.
keep buying houses. Then I'm gonna choose which one because I have no idea which one to build. This is so hard. It's hard for me, not hard for you. Okay, this is my choice. I don't know which house to do.
Whatever you pick.
Oh, I really want this house, please. Oh, that's Robux. Girl, sorry. Down. Yay! I'm gonna check this zoo out.
Where is it?
Ew!
Wait.
It stinks.
Wait.
Came from a broken home. Seen so many people.
That's so amazing. Who just touched my back? You? This looks so idiot cool. Wow. Please don't tell me there's any scary animals. Oh no. Is there a shark in there? Please don't tell me. Where is my house? I don't have a house. You're joking me? Oh, here's my house. This is not really like a house, okay, right? Oh, it's a zoo.
Oh, baby, animal.
That's why I explain. I'm gonna make the dolphin show here. The dolphin. Or should I make the penguin show? I'm gonna keep buying houses so I can make my
They
decisions.
live in the.
Girl, this is a freaking zoo.
Isla.
What? That's not a bad word.
Yeah, it is. No,
It's like a.
saying.
This is so long. I really need it. Thank you. Bye.
It is a bad word. If you say one more, you're out.
Oh my
Get
god.
out of here.
Oh my. I still have so much money, even though I just bought this. Lawn.
That's why you already had it. You already had it, so that's why you're not costing money.
Oh my. Oh my, would you please stop this? Anyways, this looks a little bit scary. Yanni, we have the same exact house now.
Yeah.
Yay, 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 yay. I'm gonna get Yanni back. After poop. That tears it. You're out. Out.
Yeah, that's what you get.
This looks so amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna buy a different house. This is,
Hollywood!
I think this is my vinyl dish.
I think you guys know me. Not really, but I love California Hollywood.
She would like to meet Ariana Grande. Ow.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Not sorry.
Oh, you almost bricked my back off.
Brooked.
Braked.
You just brooked.
Brooked
My back off? Huh?
You didn't break my back. You didn't brook
Is
my
there
back.
seriously no outside? Because then I can't get fresh air. There's no backyard. No such thing as backyard. It's
Oh my
great.
gosh.
Should I just crack a...
You should crack a leg.
Let's
Crack
see.
a leg, Missy. Oh, this looks like so cute.
What if I delete it? Oh, you want me to delete it? Okay, here we go.
First, I'm gonna check out this house.
It's just a...
There's a lot of things. Oh yeah! This is what I'm talking about. Hey. There's a slide! Yeah. Yeah, bye. I'm gonna go. 3, 2, 1, boy! I jumped in the pool. Yay.
A mannequin.
Mannequin.
Was it for free?
I love mannequins! What? Why you keep being so mean to me? Ow. Ow. Someone help, I'm in danger. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye, little monkeys. Jumping on the bed. Oh, baby. You know what? Monkeys are not helpful. Monkeys are a little bit helpful, but not really. I just fell into the pool to my face. I fell into the pool, you guys, in my face.
Good.
Good thing. Wow. I'm blooding my face now.
It's not even right, guys. Right.
Don't you see? I have a boo-boo on my nose. That's why I put on a Band-Aid. Don't you see my face?
Whoa!
I put on a Band-Aid on my nose because it was bleeding on my nose. Girl, what are you going to do with those?
I'll watch what I'm gonna do.
I have no idea how you make mannequins with costumes. Because I have no idea how you make it with costumes. Okay, I made my final decision. Wait, I need it. This is my last house that I need.
The last second.
I need to check out this house quick. This looks like King Queen house. Okay, this looks place to come born for King and Queen already. My heart statue is here finally. Hello, I'm the queen. Hello. Bye.